Arches is one of those you don't want to miss at parks. So if you ever get in the neighborhood or just want to go for a little journey, Arches is the place to go. It does have a campground in it, and it's a nice campground, not very big. When we were there, some guy from Germany either couldn't read the English signs or didn't pay any attention to them. And so he went off to take this trip to see delicate arch with no water. Well, needless to say, people along the route of him coming back were giving him water, but they didn't have enough because he was already dehydrated. By the time they got down to the parking lot, 4 people were carrying him, and he was a mess. Somebody luckily had electrolytes there and gave him some of that, and everyone was sharing water with him. And they called the ranger to come up and, see if he needed to go to the hospital. Don't know what happened because we left after that, but pay attention to the signs, and if they tell you bring a certain amount of water with you, bring even more.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.